All right, so right now, this stair unit, which is a Clyde 15F, as in Foxtrot 2820, currently is in operation mode. And we're gonna be moving this into shipping mode so that we reduce the height. So, and when you guys get this unit over there, it's gonna be the reverse of this process. But right now, what we're doing is we have a forklift here to support the weight of the platform. And what this is doing is taking the weight off of these bolts and these nuts, which are up here. So we've removed these. Meanwhile, the platform is just barely being supported by the forklift. Next step is we're gonna lower this all the way to the ground, carefully, so that we can clear this cylinder beyond this A-frame, and then we'll position the cylinder into this cradle. Once that's positioned and secured, then we're gonna lift the A-frame back up, and we're gonna have this yellow bar here in the place of which these bolts are at right now. This yellow bar will support the A-frame as this whole unit is in the shipping mode. At that point, the unit's ready to be shipped, and it's gonna reduce the height significantly. If you have any questions, you can always call us. Yeah, and the cable, and you have the cable here too, which this is it's a latch, and that's what controls this locking mechanism to secure. Yep, and that bolt goes right there, and that secures the locking mechanism. To hold the stairs in each notch as a safety. All right, the stairs is now in shipping mode. As you can see now, we have this yellow bar. I'm sorry, what?
Yeah. It says around that cardboard around that cylinder.
Yep, right. So once you guys get it, basically you're gonna need to position a forklift here. Don't put any weight on this, as this is just a swivel piece. Position your forks where the weight is being supported on this bar. Undo these bolts up here. Lower remove the yellow bar, and remove the zip tie to the cable so that it doesn't get caught on the A-frame. Lower the A-frame to the ground, and at which point you guys would remove this bolt, which is securing this yellow piece. And basically at that point, you would lift the whole stair structure up and then position the cylinder in place right here, up in there. And then at that point, you can secure the A-frame. Right now, I think the hydraulic pressure is, there should be nothing. Right now, this is an open line. Okay, now it is. Either way, you wanna make sure that you're able to freely move the cylinder if you need to do any adjustments. And that should be about it. If you guys have any questions, again, just call us.